Wherever you are in Finland, you have always access to a green forest. Because the forest for Finnish people is peace of mind. After a harsh winter, everything is all of the sudden blooming. This is the new hope and new life for the forest. It's too early for the blueberries yet, but later on the autumn, these are gonna be delicious, nutritious blueberries. These are actually edible leaves. These are the roots of the tree. It is its time to become a soil for the other plants. This is the circle of life. This is a place to be when you want to relax. Now this is empty because it's summertime and the birds can find everything from the nature that they need. But on the winter time, when everything is covered with white snow and ice, there is nothing left for them to find. So people come here and fill up these with seeds for little birds to survive over the winter. Finnish people call forest the most precious thing that they have.